Ciao, this is Rosa from My Italy Lifestyle, and today I'm in the kitchen of Farmers from Italy. Today's recipe is a simple tomato sauce. I'm going to use Viaggio crushed tomatoes because this is the easiest way to make this sauce. First, add Viaggio extra virgin olive oil in the pan. Then add the garlic. Once the garlic turns gold, you add the Viaggio crushed tomatoes. And then add a little bit of salt. And then start stirring. You don't need to cook for a long time because the crushed tomatoes are so fresh and so they're already cut, so it's easy to cook faster. This is a simple recipe and a basic recipe. Using the Viaggio crushed tomatoes makes your life easier because this is a basic for any kind of dish that you want to prepare. Over pasta, penne, spaghetti, rigatoni, or also rice. I also use with some meat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and please follow us on our social media, and if you want to know more information about products from Farmers from Italy, check our website www.farmersfromitaly.com. Thank you, grazie from Farmers from Italy Kitchen.